name is Charlotte, and today I'm going to be planting pea snow Oregon sugar pods. They're a type of pea. But before we start, please click subscribe, ring the bell, and click the thumbs up button if you haven't already done it before I started speaking. And if you want to watch a channel that offers tips, tricks, hacks, and more for ordinary gardeners with only a small plot of land or no land at all, then subscribe. But I'm pretty sure you already watch my other videos. So today I'm gonna be growing some pods. We just grew some other plants because we have bunny problems. The bunnies just ate them. I scared them away with dog noises. So we're gonna need to have it fenced, and we take out the fence when we're planting, but it's an easy take out fence. Anyway, but I'll be making another video on that. Today, let's get planting. Okay, so the instructions on here, I'm not going to show you them, I'm just going to read it to you. So I got these from Whole Foods, their botanical interests. So it takes 5 to 10 days to emerge or germinate. And you have to plant it 1 inch into the ground, 2 inches apart, and your rows have to be 18 inches apart. Not too much considering other plants, but we're going to be growing them up stalks that we grow tomatoes up because we live in Chicago and we don't have the longest growing season. So I'm going to start planting. These are what the seeds look like. And just a thing I'm going to tell you guys for the future. You can pick them once they're flat. They're yummiest, crunchiest right then. But if I were you guys, I leave 1 or 2 pods, maybe even 3 pods. Let them grow to full size so you get seeds for next year. But anyway, let's start planting them. One inch is about this deep. So I'm watering them. I just planted them in tripods, 3, not together in the same hole, but 3 next to each other, because not all can germinate. 1, 2, they could grow up the same, stick. So also, you can only plant 1 in each hole. Remember that. There's only one exception. If one is not going to germinate. Like, I saw one that was already dying seed, so I just planted it in as fertilizer. And remember to give them a good soak afterwards. And stomp them down to the mud. Like, have your child stomp it down. It's great to have your kids, have some time outside too, away from the screens. So after they get soaked, after 5 or 10 days, you can just see them germinate, and in 60 days, you're gonna have nice fresh beans to go with your salad. So, it's not over yet, Dad.